Hey, yeah, I just clocked out, so I'm gonna make a walk through here at Street Metal Concepts. Go see if I can't find out what's going on with everybody in here. There's my man Austin. Morning, Austin.
Good morning.
Austin's the first person to hear when you call up here on the phone if they answer. This is Sean doing his logs. You still doing your logs?
Yeah, just finishing.
What are you doing today?
Finishing up templates for a upper mounting bracket.
Oh, okay, cool. Doing it in CAD first, computer, or a cardboard animated design.
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool. So let's go see what else is going on. You're working on a 54 Chevrolet right here, right? Is that what you're doing it for? The 54?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
Put shockwaves in there so we can make it like frame.
Okay, cool. Yeah, his buddy Isaiah is over here. Isaiah's running an extension cord. What are you doing, Isaiah? He's on. What are you doing?
Sorry, I have my AirPods on.
That's all right. What are you doing today?
I'm working on the rear end of this.
Yeah, doing what?
Bel Air. Got done welding in the notch yesterday.
Oh, cool. Look at the notch. Yeah, awesome.
I'm,
You're rebuilding the whole rear end in this, aren't you?
It had a notch in it previously that was like really crappy.
Yeah.
And they cut it way too far, so I had to extend it a little bit with a piece of 2x3 tubing.
Right.
And it did it in a very non-conventional way. Usually you just put the notch over the
Sure.
frame, weld it, and then cut the middle out. Well, this way I had to set the rear of the frame in place. Make
Oh
sure
my
it was
goodness,
level,
right, yeah.
Set the front of the frame level, like measure the angles of these to make sure they lined up right, and mock everything up beforehand. But you know, we got it in place. So
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
That's what's going on with the 54 here. Let's head over here. This is the Hot Wheels tribute truck.
Look at there.
Are you pumping up air in that right now?
I am. And I got
Awesome.
that. Look, I'm controlling it off my phone right here. There's
Right.
the tank pressure, and like that's the front and rear up and down.
Right? Cool.
Yeah.
We got the rear brakes on that little.
Yeah, let's look at the rear brakes. Look at these brakes, dude. Wow. Look at the size of that brake. Look at that. Look at that. Wow.
One's going to be on a lever, one's going to be on the pedal.
And then we've got a lot of the exhaust is getting run through here. You can hear the motor on that pump running. Both sides are installed on the brakes. Man, that's incredible. This door comes up.
All of the extra fittings.
We are getting so close to having this thing running, driving down the road. We're going to get it started. We're going to have it running down the road. We're going to check it out. And before we even send it anywhere to paint. CJ has been working on the front of the truck here. CJ, what'd you do to this, man? What did you do up here? You've been up here forever.
I redid the inner fender mounts. They were way longer. We cut them off, and I like bent this edge on it that lines up back there. You can see like with the bottom of the firewall.
Right.
Then I remounted this yesterday. Remounted this yesterday. Maybe that was 2 days ago. I don't really remember.
Yeah, but you had this whole thing off of here, didn't you?
I
Yeah.
did like some new mounts back in here that came out pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up the fender mounts and the core sports inside of here, and then I'm gonna mount the bottom of this, and then I think we're gonna like make a piece that bolts to this that like goes in that follows like the contour of the motor.
Right. Okay.
So that'll be pretty cool.
Check that motor out. That thing is incredible.
Yeah.
This is a 632 cubic inch Chevy Performance motor. It runs off of pump gas, makes 1,000 horsepower.
It's pretty wild.
Yeah, that's pretty wild. Dom is over here taking tires off.
Yeah, it's my wheels off.
Alright, so we're gangbanging this right now. Really trying to get as much progress going on it as we can so that we can get it actually running soon. We'll walk over here. Still have a 1963 Chevy Impala that we are building. It's on bag, all resto modded out, convertible. The 48 gasser, the 1948 Chevy, I believe. It's getting the motor put back in it. It is a twin turbo diesel. So it's getting close to Hey Brad, how you doing?
Good, sir, and how are you?
Good. Putting it back together?
Sir, yes, sir.
Awesome. And then over here is Cedric's 442 that he's building. Almost. I know it's started. I know it's been driven. It's just getting the finishing touches on it now. We have a Thunderbird in-house and then a few vehicles that are in the waiting process. So thanks for watching. I'm going to head on out now. See y'all later.